Purosangue is the most powerful and exclusive sports cars. That name means thoroughbred in Italian. The Purosangue's 473-liter boot is the largest of any production Ferrari. One of the most interesting things about the Purosangue's exterior is the absence of the windshield wiper. The Purosangue features a highly advanced spoiler with a low-surface suspended design that offers excellent airflow towards the rear windscreen to keep it clean at high speeds. The rear also features an advanced diffuser that focuses on optimizing the car's drag coefficient by providing a clean path for the air to exit and reducing the overall drag. Ferrari Purosangue is the first four-door four-seater in Ferrari history backward-hinged rear doors, just like the ones on a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Inside you'll find two electrically adjustable bucket seats. The heated rear seats can be adjusted and tilted independently. 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox at the back, between the rear wheels. This layout helps give the car near-perfect 49:51 weight distribution front to rear. The performance of the new clutch is 35% higher, transmits up to 1200 Hm of dynamic torque when shifting gears. The cabin has 4 spacious electric and heated seats that can comfortably accommodate 4 adults. The rear seats fold down for even more space. Ferrari Purosangue is able to shift much faster than its 7-speed predecessor, and it is an integral part of what makes the Ferrari Purosangue such an incredible performer. The transmission is optimized not only to deliver incredible performance, but also smooth driving. Curvy dashboard with a digital driver's display and a brand new 10-inch touchscreen directly in front of the passenger. The Ferrari Purosangue features the EVO ABS controller that debuted on the 296 GTB. 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 that revs all the way to 8,250 RPM and produces 725 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque. More power is released than any other car in the segment, 725 horsepower. It'll accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds. For many, there's a fear that the Purosangue is a car that is different from Ferrari's typical offerings. However, Ferrari has preserved its DNA in the Purosangue with its incredible performance. Ferrari hasn't confirmed an exact figure yet, but don't be surprised if it ends up costing more than £300,000. That's about £100,000 more than a Bentley Bentayga Speed, and it's twice the price of the £150,000 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT.